Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is Lesson 17, MCQ, that means multiple choice questions, matching and short questions. I repeat, our today's topic is lesson 17, MCQ, matching plus short questions. Dear students, look at the lecture. This is our 6th lecture and SW number 5th. I repeat, this is our 6th lecture and SW number 5th on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, so now let's start the class and all of you give your attention. At first we will start with MCQ. So look at the board, it is multiple choice questions. That means full form of MCQ is MCQ. Full form of MCQ is multiple choice questions. So look at the board properly. Number 1, what is the area of Bangladesh? What is the area of Bangladesh? We read from lesson 17, page number 38, okay, about the area of Bangladesh. Look at the option now. Number A, 1,47,157 kilometers. Number B, 1,47,570 square kilometers. Number C, 1,48,000 square kilometers. Okay, from our book, page number 38, we have learned that the area of Bangladesh is 1,47,570 square kilometers. So B number is the correct answer. What is the area of Bangladesh? Is 1,47,570 square kilometers. Now look at the question number 2. Total population of our country is option number A, 16 crores, B, 20 crores, C, 41 crores. So from our book lesson number 17, we have learned that total population of our country is 16 crores. How many? It is 16 crores. So option number A is the correct answer. It is 16 crores. Now number 3, in respect of population, Bangladesh is dash country of the world. I repeat, in respect of the population, Bangladesh is country of the dash world. So look at the option. Option number A, 9th. Option number B, 8th. Option number C, 10th. So from our book, we have come to know that in respect of population, Bangladesh is dash of the country. It is 8th country. So look at the option number B, 8. EIGHT, 8th. Now number 4, what is the main problems of Bangladesh? I repeat, what is the main problem of Bangladesh? So look at the options: population problem, health problem, poverty problem. So from our book, we have learned that the main problems of Bangladesh is population problem because we have many populations. So look at number A, this one is the correct answer. That means what is the main problem of Bangladesh? Answer A, population problem. So look at the last MCQ, we need dash. Option A, large family, small family, rich family. So from our book we have learned that we need a small family or we need a small family. That means B number is the correct answer. We need a small family. So these are the 5 MCQs. So these are the 5 MCQs. So MCQ session is done. Now we will go to matching. So look, we will go to the next page. This is matching. Column A and column B. Matching. What is written here? It is written matching. So look. So here 3 matchings, 3 in column A, 3 are given. In the right column, that means column B, 3 are given. So we need to match and we will write also. Transports are overcrowded. So what is it? Transports, that means vehicles, are overcrowded. Look at the option. A traditional way of life, main national problems, it is with people. So A is related to 3. A is related to 3. Transports are overcrowded with people. So look, I am writing a plus 3. Transports are overcrowded with so A is related to 3. Transports are overcrowded with people. Now number B. Tribal people follow option a traditional way of life, main national problem. So what is it? Traditional people follow a tribal people follow a traditional way of life. So B is related to 1. We all know that tribal people represent the ethnic minorities, that means Khasiya, Garo, Sautal, etc. are called my ethnic minorities. Tribal people follow a traditional way of life. Traditional now number C. So C, what is number C? Population is our, only B number is left, that means population is our main national problem. Population is our main national problem. 2. Population is our main national so look, I have written 3. Number A is related to 3. A plus 3, that means transports are overcrowded with people. B plus 1, tribal people follow a traditional way of life. That means they follow their own lifestyle. Number C plus 2, population is our main national problem. So dear students, our matching session is done. Now we will go to answer the following short questions. So look here, this is the short questions. I have given only 2 short questions. So look, number A or 1, what is the area of Bangladesh? What is the area of Bangladesh? So look at the answer. Bangladesh is a small country. Its area is about 1,47,570 square kilometers. I have written here Kimi. The full form of Kimi is kilometers. I am telling again, Bangladesh is a small country. Its area is about 1,47,570 square kilometers. Now number 2, which problems are occurring because of crowds? I repeat, which problems are occurring because of crowds or the overpopulations? So which problems do we face for the overpopulations? Now look at the answer. Due to the crowds, that means due to the overpopulation, we are facing the shortage of food. What is it? We are facing the shortage of food, water, house, schools and jobs. So look, due to the crowds or due to the overpopulation, we are facing the shortage of food, water, house, schools and jobs. So our answer the short question, that means short question session is done. So look at the end of our board. It is written here SW. SW is lesson 17, that means these whole parts are taken from lesson 17. So look here, what is it? Lesson 17. Lesson 17, matching and short questions. So where is matching? Look, so this one is matching. In doing matching, whenever you will do matching as your SW, at first, okay, so look here, you will write like me, at first the corresponding number, then the words. So look here, at first the corresponding number, then the words. Here I have written. In matching, you will follow the way of my own, okay? And short questions. These are the 2 short questions, 1 and 2. So I am telling again, your SW is lesson 17, matching and short questions. So look here, this one is matching and this one is your short questions. Dear students, now I hope that all of you have understood this interesting subject, social science. Keep practicing, keep reading the text again and again so that you can easily answer MCQ, matching and short questions. Do your SW in your specific SW copy and submit it on next Sunday, and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.